Hi, my name is Lori Sikorsky with Hurricane Boats, and today we're going to walk through the Sundeck 235 OB. The exterior of this model is showing the shadow gray gel coat in wideband, and then it also has the shadow gray graphics package as well as the deck tape that you'll see on the side. Up front here, you'll see we have the bow ladder, which is a nice handy feature and easy to use. This boat also features our stainless steel upgrade package, so you'll see that with the pull-up cleats and some of the other pieces. Stepping into the interior of our boat, we have our cognac with carbon accent furniture, as well as the cognac marine mat. One of the things that I like best about this model is all the space that you have up front. Plenty of room for whether you want to lounge or if you've got guests. Again, you can fit many people. And then of course, nice, easy to use and reach cup holders. And then you've got your speakers up front here. On today's model, we're showing the black framed windshield, but also available is silver frame, or we have the black with the stainless steel cap that can really dress up your model. Now we're going to transition to where you'll see we have the dual consoles. What's nice on this model, besides, as I've talked before about plenty of space, it does have a head unit, which is nice and easy to use. And even though it's very compact, once you see in there, there is plenty of room to get that head unit and to have someone get down in there. And then both the captain and the co-captain, we have the seat backs that move. That way if you'd like to lounge in the back. Featured on today's model is the upgraded steering wheel option. And then we have Fusion stereo, as well as the Garmin 63, which you see really nice size fit there. And then we have new gauges as well. And all of the buttons, nice location, and very easy to read, which is very helpful for when you're out on the water and you don't have to search for anything. And then featured on our captain's seat, which is an option, is the bolster. So that's something that can also increase comfort for the driver when out on the water. So showing off again some of the space that we have in the rear of the boat, and then some of the other things that make this model one of my favorite. Besides the fact that you are able to configure the seats to whatever your need may be, is storage. That's important to everyone when out on the water. We have storage under the seats, in the ski locker, just plenty of places to put different things so that when you are out with your family, you've got room for your cooler, you've got room for your towels, your beach bag, all of that, and still room to have fun and not feel like you're in each other's way. And then also on today's model, it does have the telescoping ski tow bar, which is very handy because again, if you're using it, you're able to have that functionality, and when you're not, it simply goes out of the way, stores perfectly. Simple lift and twist to lock. And then when you're done using, lift and twist to put away. Thank you for joining me then on our walkthrough of the Hurricane Sundeck 235 OB. Hope to see you on the water this summer, and for more information you can visit us at hurricaneboats.com.